Hi there, how are you? My name is Alex Gunadinik, and you probably know me as the guy who teaches a lot of marketing and business courses.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
Created mobile apps for entrepreneurs, has a YouTube channel. What else? I wrote a bunch of books for entrepreneurs. So I now at the point of filming this video, I probably have maybe somewhere between 1 and 2 million entrepreneurs have come across my work. Between all my apps, course resources, and one of the main things that really stumps people is building their website. They have to hire someone. They then have to hire a freelancer, and really sometimes they hire bad freelancers. So I really am focusing on putting at least making it easier for people to get started. And this course is a very basic introduction to WordPress. And with WordPress, you can get up and running in less than a day. You literally can do that in less than 1 day. It's easy, and I walk you through the basics. I really walk you through the basics, make it simple, and you may or may not also take my class on how to find a fantastic domain name. I really recommend that class because you want to have a good website and a domain name, right? Because you want everything to be professional. And if you can actually get it and it doesn't have to be expensive, why not? So you can take the domain names course in addition to this course, or just this course if you already have a domain. But basically, you can get up and running with your own site in just about a day. Maybe if it takes you a while, maybe 2 days. But it's very basic, and I really walk you through click by click how to do this. And that's it. That's the course. So go ahead, sign up for the course, and let's get you to have a website today. Wouldn't that be great, right? So anyway, come on into the course and let's get started.